Covering 3,000 kilometers and taking 5 days, teams from 21 countries competed with their solar racing cars in the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge 2023 in Australia. It's a race that puts both technology and human endurance to the test. My name is Alexander. I'm the team manager of aCentauri solar racing project. We decided to take part in the Bridgestone World Solar Challenge 2023. As you can see here, we're standing next to our rolling frame, that is a suspension, and the wheels, and also all the electrical components that will be our LH aCentauri car. Because the race is so demanding, the roads are extremely harsh. We have to keep doing the test to improve the performance of the car. During the critical phase of testing, getting precision and high-quality mechanical parts as quickly as possible was very important for us. At this time, we came across RPWORLD. When they knew that we were going to take in the race, they not only sponsored the components we needed for the car, but also offered us comprehensive manufacturing services, from DFM analysis, manufacturing services, to finishing options. It was really a lot of work, but surprisingly, we got the parts within just a few days. The quick turnaround, precision parts, and customized manufacturing were greatly helpful for us to carry out the test and even participate in the race as planned. As you can see, the brake pedal, a crucial part of our car's mechanical braking system that ensures the safety of our drivers, RPWORLD chose aluminium 6082T6 for its best strength and anodizing effect. The brake pedal part can endure more, so it is safe for our driver. It's very important for us.
Because their CNC machining can be as precision as DIN ISO 2768MF.
During the assembly, the brake pedal up here that had into the shapes without any problems. One thing that really impressed me was their DFM, Design for Manufacturability analysis. It's not like they received the drawings and drive straight into production. No, they would present a DFM report that includes suggestions on improving part design, suitable material, and more. It is no exaggeration to say that their DFM analysis can save 50% of production time and cost. The great part of RPWORLD was the fast delivery time they gave us, while not compromising on the quality of the product. That was probably the most important thing that kept us choosing RPWORLD. So I want to take this moment and thank RPWORLD for the part that delivered and will enable us to complete at very high level at the Bridgestone World Challenge.